Hi everyone. Hey, sorry about the noise in the background. Guys out there removing the juice off the floor. But just wanted to touch base with you today and let you know a couple things about repainting the drywall after we had some floods. Anybody who knows anybody on the west coast, we're dealing with the floods. So what they have to do is they come in and remove 4 foot of the drywall. Don't try to reuse it. Don't try to paint over it. Just always take it off and put all new stuff back. They come in and throw new texture on here, and then you can paint over it. But the main thing about it today is if you're dealing with this in your home, you can always save a little bit of money by letting the other guys do the drywall part of it, textured, but you can come in and do the painting part of it yourself. Just get a few basic tools from Home Depot or Lowe's, turn with, like a bucket, screen, roller nut, 9-inch, half-inch, 2 foot or 4 foot extension pole, and maybe a couple of drops. And just go through each room and prime the new drywall with a drywall primer, and then put 2 coats of your favorite paint over top of that, and see if you can save yourself a little bit of money. Next step is the trim guy is going to come in and put all the trim all around the room, and that'll be another video that we can talk about. But this stuff is pretty simple, pretty basic. Anyone can do it. Just give yourself a little bit of time. Don't try to rush through it. Try to pace yourself. Otherwise, most people don't like to paint in the first place. So, if you're new to painting, just give yourself a little bit of time, and don't overwork yourself, because you'll just get aggravated. So, other than that, if you have any questions or comments, drop those in below in the comment box, and please like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.